Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss in this video data types in Python programming. Python provides various standard data types that define the storage method on each and every variable. And data types means when you declare in programming one variable, that variable how much storage will be taken in the at that memory location. It means that variable can hold value. In Python programming, we do not need to define the type of the variable while declaring type. It means we declare one variable or one value at that programming time. That variable or value which data type need not to define. It means that that variable is either integer, float, string, boolean, not to define in the Python programming. But in C programming, we need to define the variable, particularly which data type. And for example, we have to. I am taking a equal to 5. Example, a equal to 5. Here, a is a variable, equal is a assignment operator, and 5 is the integer we already know. But the variable a holds a integer value. Integer value is 5. We need not to define it's a type. It's a type means 5 is a integer value. We not to define in the programming. But how to know Python? It is a integer data. Integer 5 is a integer. Python is a interpreter translator. Interpreter translator means it executes the step-by-step statement in programming. And the interpreter is a translator to convert the data. And interpreter will be automatically variable is a integer data type can be taken in programming. And also Python enables to check the type of the variable. Type of the variable means which data type can be used in particular variable in the programming. At that time, Python provides using the type function. Python provides using type function. And Python have different data types and Python have the standard data types. There are 5 types: number, sequence type, boolean, set, dictionary. And this is the flow diagram of the Python data types. Python data types are 5 types. One is a numbers data types, dictionary data types, boolean data type, set data type, sequence data types. Numbers data types can be divided into 3 types: integer data type, complex number data types, float data type. And also sequence data type is also can be divided into 3 types. One is a string, another one is list, tuple. These are the Python data types. First one is numbers data type. Number stores the numeric values. Integer, float, complex are the values belongs to a Python numbers data types. The numbers data type can be divided into 3 types. One is the integer, float, complex. Python provides the type function. At that time where we use type function. It means that Python enables to check the type of the variable used in the programming. At that time, we are using the type function. And similarly, instance function is also used. Check an object belongs to the particular class. We are using Python provides two functions. One is a type function. Type function is used to enable to check the type of the variable used in the programming. And another one also is instance function used to check an object belongs to particular class. One of the example taken in this slide, a equal to 5, print parenthesis open, double quotations I'm writing, the type of a, and type is a type function. Why using type function means when you are declaring the variable unable to check the type of the variable in a Python programming, at that time using type function, I'm using type A, and b equal to 40.5. It is an integer data type. That is a float data type. Print the type of b, comma type b, and c equal to 1 plus 3j. This is the complex. Print the type of c, type c, and also print c is a complex number, comma another used to object belongs to the particular class. Is instance also one of the Python providing function. Bracket open 1 plus 3j, comma complex. And coming to the output, the type of a class is int. 5 is a integer, it displays the int. The type of b is class is float. Why float? 40.5 points, decimal points is there. When you are using decimal points, compulsory you have to use float data type. The type of c is class complex, and then another one is c is a complex number. Condition is true. This is the example of the numbers data types. Numbers are divided into three types. One is integer, float, complex. Integer data type. Integer data type is one of the numbers data types. Integer value can be any length, such as integers 10 to 29, minus 20, minus 150. It means that integer values either positive values is there, negative values is also defining in the Python programming. Python has no restrictions on the length of the integer. Its value belongs to int. One of the main point is when you are using integer values, no restrictions in the Python programming. Float. Float is used to store floating point numbers like 1.9, 0.99, 9.902, 15.2. It is accurate up to 15 decimal points. It means that when you are defining 1 point, after taking the 15 values. Complex. A complex number contains an order pair, that is x plus iv, where x and y denote the real and imaginary parts respectively. The complex numbers like 2.14j, 2.0 plus 2.3j, these are the complex numbers. And sequence type. Sequence type is the one of the Python data type. The sequence type means to order to represent. And the sequence data type can be divided into three types. One is string. The string can be defined as the sequence of characters represented in the quotations marks. Simply says, when you are defining the string within the double quotations, order of characters is called string. In Python, we can use single quotations, double quotations, or triple quotations to define string. The string handling in Python is a straightforward task since Python provides built-in functions and operators to perform the operations in the string. When the string handling provides a straightforward task and built functions we have to use in the Python. In the case of string handling, the operators are plus, minus, asterisk, division. These are all the operators. Operations are variables. Hello plus Python. It returns the hello Python within the double quotations. Hello is the one of the operation. Python is the one of the operation. Operator is plus. Plus means add. After we have to use operator plus, they become hello Python within the double quotations. After that, we are using another operator is asterisk. And asterisk means multiplication. It repetition of the operator. When I am writing one double quotation within the Python once, and I am using asterisk 2, they returns the Python in 2 times. Why? I am writing asterisk of 2. That's why they display in the Python in 2 times. In the 2 place, I am writing 4. The Python value can be displayed 4 times. This is the string. String can be defined single quotations, double quotations, and triple quotations. This is the one of the example in the string data type. I am taking the str is the variable. I am writing the string is within the double quotations. String using double quotation. This is my string statement. I am writing print str. Str is the variable, and I am printing str means string using double quotations. Another one, s equal to another variable. I am using triple quotations, a multiple, and another line string, triple quotations. Print s. In the programming, s is a multiple string using triple quotations. String, after that output is, first statement is within the double quotations. I am writing string using double quotations. That is the output. String using double quotations. After that, another variable is s within the triple quotations, a multiple string. A multiple string. This is the string data type. Another one is list. List is the one of the sequence data type. Python lists are similar to arrays in C. Similar to arrays means to arrays in the sequence order in the index in C. However, the list can contain data of different types. The items stored in the list are separated within the comma. When you are using list data types, the elements or data can be separated using the comma or comma in the Python programming, and also enclosed within the square brackets. We can use slice operators to access the data of the list. The concatenation of the operator is plus, repetition of the operator is asterisk. Work within the list in the same way as working with the string also. Simply says, when you are using list data types, each and every variable or element separated by a comma. enclosure within the square brackets. When you are accessing the data within the list using slice operator, concatenation operator is plus, repetitive operation is asterisk. This is the list. This is the example of the list data type. List 1. List 1, my statement is within the square brackets. One is one of the element, another one is high within the double quotation. This is called also string, comma, Python within the double quotations, and another one is comma 2. I am taking the overall four elements. 2 are integers and 2 are strings. As is used in the Python programming, it is a single quotations line defining. They cannot interpreter means to check the statement. Print type list 1. It means that what in the statement list 1 is 1 comma high Python comma 2. This is my list 1. In print means how to print this statement 1 high Python 2. Another one is print list 1. List 1 means in the first place of the list 1 is 2, and next one is slicing. Slicing means to accessing the data. Data to accessing the data is 3. In the 3 place of is there 1 comma high. 1, 2, 3. Taking the 3. And the list slicing, print list 1, 0 to 2. It means that starting value is 0, after that 1, 2. And print list concatenation using the plus operator. Print list 1 plus list 1. List 1 plus list 1 means 1 comma high comma Python comma 2. Another list 1 is 1 comma high comma Python comma 2, and list 1 plus list 1. And repetition using asterisk operator. List 1 asterisk into 3. It returns the statement is 3 times. 3 times. 1 high Python 2. 1 high Python 2. One statement. Another one is 1 high Python 2. Second statement. It displays the 3 times of the statement by using list 1 asterisk of 3. This is the programming of the list. Next one is tuple. It is similar to the list in many ways. Like list, tuples also contain the collection of the items of the different data types. Tuple is also like as a list, but collection of the items from the different data types. The item are separated within the comma and enclosed with the parentheses. In the list data types also using the comma and also enclosed within the parentheses. Tuple is read only data structures, as we can't modify the size and value of the item. In the tuple data type, read only the data structures, but we can't modify the size of the variable and also value. Once defining the programming, to enter programming using that value also and size also can't be changed in programming. Another one is dictionary. A dictionary is an unordered set of key value pair of items. It is like as associative array or hash table where each key stores a specific value. When you are using hash table, each and every value have specific number or unique value. One value and another value can't same address memory. Key can hold any primitive data types. Primitive data types are int, float. These are the primitive data types in C. Whereas value in an arbitrary Python object, the items in the dictionary are separated within the comma and enclosed with the curly braces. In dictionary data types, enclosed with the curly braces and separated with the comma. List tuple, both data types are separated with the comma and enclosed with the parentheses. But dictionary data types separated with the comma, enclosed with the curly braces. Coming to the example of the dictionary data type. I am taking the statement a variable is a D. D equal to, I am taking the defining with the curly braces, comma, Jimmy, single quotation string. This is. Second one is Alex. Third one is John. Fourth one is Mike. I am taking the string is single quotation string. And printing the dictionary, I am using as in a programming. This is a comment. Single line comment. Print D. Print D. And the second comment is accessing the value using keys. Print first name is plus D1. D1. D1 means this is the one. This is the one means one is Jimmy printing. And print second name is plus D4. What is the D4? Mike is the D4. And print D keys. What are the keys I am using this programming? 1, 2, 3, 4 are the keys in programming. And what are the values I am using this programming are Jimmy, Alex, John, Mike. This is the programming. Coming to the output, first name is Jimmy. First name is D1. 1 in the place is Jimmy is there and 4 is Mike is there. Second name is Mike. And print D. 1 is Jimmy, 2 is Alex, 3 John, 4 Mike. And what are the keys in the programming are 1, 2, 3, 4. What are the values I am using this programming? Jimmy, Alex, John, Mike. Boolean. Boolean means when this type of provides two built-in values. There are one is a true, another one is false. These values are used to determine the given statement either true or false. It denotes by the class bool. When you are using in the Python programming using Boolean, how to write bool, B-O-O-L. True can be represented by the non-zero values. I have to write 1 or T. Whereas false can be represented with the 0 or F. And set. Set is one of the data type. Python set is the unordered collection of data types. It is a iterable or can modify after creation also. In set data type using Python programming, when you are writing variables or declaring size and declaring the locations, after execution time also we have to modify that or we have to create also. It has unique two elements. In set, the order of the elements is undefined. The elements of order cannot be defined in the set data type. It may return the changed sequence of the elements. The set is the created by using built-in functions set. A sequence of elements is passed in the curly braces and separated by the comma. It can be various type of the values. Thank you. This is the data types in the Python programming. Totally 5 data types, standard data types, numbers, dictionary, Boolean, set, sequence type. This is the Python data types. Thank you.